Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add and remove users here in macOS. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that you are logged in as the administrator. And once you've done that, you'll just want to come up to the Apple icon in the top left corner and click on it and go to System Settings. Search for users and then click on Users and Groups. Here you will have a full list of users and you can see if they're admin or standard. To add a user, you just click on Add User, type in the admin password, and then you can select if they are standard or admin. And then from here, you can select what type of user they are. You can add in their name and then fill out a password and then click on create. You can click on the profile icon to change it. And then if you want to remove or delete a user, you just click on this little information icon. And in the bottom left, there is a delete user option. You just click on that. And you will have three options here. If you're looking to fully remove and delete, just select the bottom option and then delete user. And now it's gone. As a side note, you can also manage guest users by clicking the information icon, and from here you can enable and control their options. That is everything for this video, but if you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button to become a member for as low as 99 cents a month, the thanks button, the subscribe button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.